How to set up an NFL fantasy league. You need to firstly choose your fantasy platform. There are different fantasy platforms such as ESPN Fantasy Football, which is the most popular, and for beginners, there's NFL Fantasy app, which is the official, Yahoo Fantasy Football, and the Sleeper app. Then create your account using Google, Apple ID, or email ID. Inside every fantasy app or website, you will see the option Create League, Start a League, or Create New League. Then you will need to enter your league name, number of teams, draft type, scoring type, and router size. Set the league settings, for example, scoring settings, team roster, and many more. And then you will need to set up your draft date and time to schedule it. Once your league is created, you will get a league invite link. Send it to your friends, family, or co-workers. They can join you using the link that you sent them. Everyone in your league must install the app, join the league, and be online at draft time. That's all for today. Thank you.